Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Microsoft To Do. You click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about To Do and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.